As the old saying goes, where there's a will, there's a way. It's true. To make this happen, you need to have an idea. The idea comes from your own desire attached to an object or anything and observing around yourself. You need to have a repeated thought about a resolution, object or anything that really creates an attachment to it, and that attachment creates desires. You need to repeatedly contemplate that there is some happiness in some object, and that happiness creates desire or will leading to the way to make it happen. Attachment to something is necessary to create a will or desire, and continuous thoughts more often about something you want should flow in your mind. You should create a value in your mind to an object you want. You need to first conceive in your mind. Every night go to the bed with an idea and thought you have on your mind. Close your eyes, speak with your heart and soul of your dreams. Wake up with the same idea and thought. Go everywhere with same frame of mind until you consume passion within. You need to first reach a definite decision in your own mind to get it, and decided upon a definite plan for getting it. Only limitations is the obstacle between you and your thought, so don't let it wander. God will be on your side if you exactly know what you want. Also, you determine to get just that. Recognize the purpose. Cherish it is the starting point that fuels the power to an idea and thought. An idea is an impulse of thought that impels an action by an appeal to the imagination. Do take a decision to make it happen within a specified time or a deadline. It gives you a feeling of self-commitment and an assurance. Hard work and honesty plays an important role to get you there. One day you will find yourself in the position of an achievement and riches.